Hey everybody, hope you can see and hear me clearly. Let me check that real quick. Okay, there's a stream. Hey everybody, hope you can see and hear me clearly. Okay, you can, so let's guys get to the chart. Market is about to be open in 1 minute literally, so okay, I'm going to get rid of some noise. Go into the 30-minute time frame, marking out everything real quick. Also, I forgot to launch my demo account. Just let me do that real quick as well. Okay, we've done that. So let's get to the like session highs and lows. Wow, we've been dumping the whole like day, I guess. Okay, the high, Asia high, and yeah, okay, Asia low, which is already like swept. Okay, London hand low. London low was already swept, and we are making currently a bullish S&T. Okay, so we mark that out. We no longer care about Asia low, so we get rid of that. About London low, and yes, we no longer care about as well. Let's go on the 4-hour to mark out our liquidity points. Here is the liquidity. Basically, this is it. We're bearish, obviously. We've been dumping for the like last like a lot, and yeah, let's mark it out. I don't really see the point of marking anything out to the upside on the 4-hour at least. Holy crap, bro. Okay, we've got something untouched, some liquidity untouched on NQ. This is the last, literally the last liquidity, Tuesday 9:10 a.m. Okay, it's pretty far on ES, so basically NQ dumped too much. We are making a whole bunch of bullish S&Ts, but I don't really think we'll just reverse right now. I think we'll probably keep moving in that direction unless at least until NQ breaches us 28,520 bucks, 50 cents low. Okay, so let's go on the 1 hour to mark out the key points in there. Pretty much nothing to mark out again. On hourly as well. It's fucked a little bit, but whatever. Have got some liquidity on ES at least. That's cool. We're reaping to downside for now. Let's get on the 15-minute to see that. Yeah, we're bearish obviously on the 15-minute. So let's go on the 5-minute for now. Okay, here is the broker. Okay, rectangles, let's add that shit. Let's mark out some points on NQ, oh, on ES, I'm sorry. This is kind of the last point, right? Yeah, this is the last point, that's cool. Okay, we're obviously, oh wait, let me first mark out everything on NQ as well. Okay, so I marked out all the points which we need, and on the 5 minutes we are obviously moving to the downside significantly. We swept some liquidity to the upside. Now we're moving back to the downside again. Now the only thing I would like to see is probably some like retracement. But since we're dumping, like there was a, yeah, there was some SMT, bearish SMT. I should have entered off of, yeah, there was an early entry, so I should have entered ideally on NQ as soon as we like inverse this gap. But again, the RR would be fucked, so I don't really think that did worth it. So yeah, it's just kind of situation where there was freaking no entry, and I genuinely think that we're cooked. Like I could call it a day. Not yet, okay, since we did not sweep that low. We'll call it a day pretty soon, I guess. Since like again, what shall we target? Besides those lows, like if we do not make a retracement like exactly right now, then like what else I'll be targeting today? Like I don't really believe that she'll reverse significantly, so significant that we'll be able to target those London highs or any other highs. I don't really think that's happening. So basically, that's nothing to target. Yeah, on hourly we are dumping as fuck, and like the 4 hour we are dumping as fuck. So probably there were some news which caused that. I don't know, cause like at least I missed it. The only thing I genuinely missed today that like we've made a sweep on NQ. We did not make the same sweep on ES, which is a sign of the bearish SMT, and then we broke the structure at the moment we broke the structure. I should have like entered here with the stop loss here and like take profit take profit here, but 0.52 RR speaks for itself. So I don't really think that like there was no entry. The only one we're having a bad like RR, so it didn't worth to take that. Pretty much nothing to target, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we're kind of like making one more bullish SMT with the S, so we could like reverse right now to the upside, leave those lows. I don't really think we'll even need to target those lows. We'll probably just reverse right now. Yeah, we'll probably like take them out since they are kind of close to each other. But yeah, bro, it's like genuinely it is possible. For the market to like, yeah. To just reverse. Nah, I don't think that reverse. That's too much for a reversal. 15 minute is dumping. Yeah, it's pretty much nothing to target even on the 15-minute time frame. So I don't really think we'll be able to find any like pretty much anything on today's market. I don't know. Last time, like for the last couple days, maybe a week, market's been doing the complete shit. I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. I can't like do anything about that, so I'm just gonna like stay with it. Yeah, that's pretty much nothing to target because those lows are like too far, you know. Don't really think that we'll go that far. The only way we could go there if ES would want to swap the same lows Yankee did, but I do not really think that that's the case in here. I don't really think that's happening. So yeah, we are kind of in a stage of probably calling that shit a day. Let me see if GR called it a day, just to like clarify that I'm thinking same thing. Oh, he's offline, right? Okay. He's not even streaming. He's not even trading that. Probably understand why, bro. Yeah, bro, we're just dumping completely. Like, I would probably be able to, you know, catch. By the way, on NQ, on my broker, it seems like we did not take the low, even though we actually did take them out. Yeah, we did for sure. So, kind of misalignment, but I'll forget about that since it's not really important, I think. But we'll probably be able to catch shorts on ES because they could be realistic. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I wouldn't call them like 100% chance of winning that shit, but that's really, really like could be the case. But again, since like NQ isn't moving, like the nearest break of structure on NQ will be not really soon, so yes is repeating. So the only thing, the only reason why I'm not happy on all the markets right now is probably because it's early in the market. So technically, there could be a chance that we will give me an entry. I don't know, bro.
Why did you?
Bro, the shit isn't moving. What the fuck? Okay, I can get rid of the low because like it's not valid anymore. ES definitely broke this. Oh, okay, now yeah, but we will definitely break the structure on ES to the upside, which will mean like it is a like a retracement and technically like a setup being formed or about to be formed. But again, something is telling me like this is not correct. Yeah. Just hit equilibrium. Nah, we're just dumping, bro. Like, we're just dumping. Maybe I should just short right now. Like, is there a case where I'm doing that? Because, fuck it, I'm shorting. I'm shorting that bitch right now. Because, like, why not, bro? Fuck. I just, oh fuck, I just saw how much I'm risking on that. That's fucked for real, bro. That's really fucked. Okay, regardless, but like, fuck. That's a horrible entry. Okay, like somewhere about like here. Be a bit lower here. Okay, stop loss is here. Take profit is here. 1-to-1 RR, but on my broker it's fine, so might be. Wait. No, let's just leave it like that. Let's just leave it like that. Yeah, NQ keeps dumping, bro. Again, we're looking like it was looking like a good short since market's doing complete yeah, there wasn't a retracement on both indexes and like etc. But Not gonna lie, bro, it was like the edge equilibrium broke the structure, so technically there is a retracement. Also, again, NQ keeps dumping as fuck. Yes, did not sweep obvious possible draws and liquidity. So yeah, that looking like a good short, so and a valid shorts for me. But I over risked as fuck on that. I'm not gonna lie, so I did not know that would be that bad. Okay, it was liquidity, equilibrium, and breaker structure. I'm risking a lot, bro. Like 200, like 2.7%. That's a lot, bro. Bro, holy. Bro, seriously? No way. Nah, that shit'll stop me out, seriously, bro. Yo, bro, like that? No way, bro. That's horrible, bro. That's awful. It's looking disgusting, bro. Oh shit, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, we're cooked as fuck. Ah. It's good that shit is on demo. Obviously, I wouldn't take it on, like, prop firm, but... fuck. Still not really pleasant thing to witness. Nah, why, bro? Like, why? Let me see the Twitter. Why, like, did we, like, reap that far, like, that much? Nothing. SK Hynix IDR. The fuck is that? No, it's like 3 minutes ago or something. Pro, seriously? Why, bro? Why? Those draws were obvious, bro. Market just completely forgets what he's like, what he has to do. Nah, that's horrible, bro. So horrible. Now, obviously that shit will stop me out. I really did not believe that once, but yeah, that's horrible. Oh, fuck that, bro. Fuck that shit. Got stopped out, lost 251.80 bucks on that. Shit. I don't really think, like, I'm not sure it's worth it to even document that shit. Since I took this trade only because, like, that's demo, and realistically, I would never take that on, like, prop firm. And over risked as fuck, and I didn't even see that. So it's really harsh to not take that loss. But bro, now we are going up. Wow, that's fun. No, I'm not trading that shit. That's horrible. That's absolutely horrible. Okay, I will put it to 251. Bucks, almost negative 2k. Known entered since I didn't care too much and didn't notice how much I risk. Obviously didn't have to trade an over risk. Again, like I won't call that like the thing like, oh, I'm a bad trader since I took that trade. You know, I took that because I'm on demo, bro. It's like I know that sounds like how to translate that. Oh yeah, for sure. So I know that shit sounds as an excuse, but for real, what point for me to hold on that shit if I'm on demo? Yeah, I know I wanted to raise my statistics, but it's already in here. Like I'm on demo. Let's just fucking dump that shit. Okay, but whatever. That wasn't the trade which worth it. So okay, we lost, and okay, I'm fine with it. So I think we're just gonna call it a day, losing day again. But again, it's demo, and if there was like, if there was a challenge, I would take this trade. But okay, it is what it is. We lost. I notated that, so I won't make up an excuse for me in that case. So I really did not see how much I risked on that shit. So yeah, we lost a lot. Yeah, since I don't want to really overcome to negative 2000 for real, I'm just going to stick to my rules. I know I said it before today, and I really know that, but I'll genuinely do since Monday, because now it's Friday, right? Yeah, it's Friday, so yeah, we will trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or wherever. So yeah, I'm just gonna stick to my rules since Monday, since I don't really wanna mm, like see negative 2k. Don't really want to, and I understand that like fuck it. Like if there will be no trades for a week, that's fine. I'll not just take a trade for a week, and it'll be a short day for you guys as well. All of them will be short for you guys, but okay, we'll remain with that, with what we have. So if there will be no trades for the whole next week, which is pretty much possible with this price action, then I'm just not going to take trades because I really want to like get rid of that negative points on my summary PNL. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Thanks for watching. We're gonna get back and on Monday. Yeah, we're gonna come back on Monday. So see you guys on Monday. Probably we're not gonna have a trade to be taken, and I'm really gonna like put my mentality into the position where I'm not taking a trade if there is no setup. Since I know that I'm on demo, but whatever, I'm just not gonna fuck it. I'm not gonna take trades because like every random trade I take has never been positive PNL afterwards as soon as this price action is fucked. So I'm just gonna not taking trades overall, even if like it's demo. I'm just gonna stick to my rules, even though it will be boring as fuck for you guys. So yeah, we'll see you guys on Monday. Probably next week will be the like the most bored week throughout like the whole history of my channel.